Modern businesses are overwhelmed by a flood of vulnerabilities, making manual triage impossible. Traditional methods focus solely on volume, ignoring the business context. Continuous Threat Exposure Management, or CTEM, changes the game. It provides strategic prioritization, aligning your security efforts with actual exploitability and the continuous lifecycle needed to manage risk in an adaptive, ongoing way. The foundation of CTEM rests on three pillars. First, we move to real-time visibility rather than static assessments. Second, we prioritize based on the specific threat landscape and business impact. Finally, we focus on actionable outcomes. This means transitioning from simply identifying every single weakness to validating and mitigating the exposures that actually matter most. Traditional scanning often fails because it creates a massive list of technical findings without any context. This leads to alert fatigue, where security teams struggle to distinguish a minor glitch from a critical threat. The real challenge isn't just finding weaknesses, it's knowing which ones truly endanger your business and require immediate attention. Slide 4 highlights how CTEM shifts focus from theoretical flaws to real-world exploitability. We ask better questions. Can an attacker reach this? Can they weaponize it? By evaluating reachability and impact, we determine if a vulnerability allows access to high-value assets, rather than just worrying about its existence on paper. Hackers don't see vulnerabilities in isolation, they see paths. A minor flaw, combined with stolen credentials, can create a lethal trajectory. By thinking in attack paths, we identify the critical nodes where we can intercept an attacker. When you break the path, you stop the breach and protect your most critical systems effectively. CTEM is a persistent loop of discovery, prioritization, validation, and improvement. We map our assets, evaluate risk through threat intelligence, and actively test to see if attack paths are viable. This cycle ensures that remediation is targeted and that every security control we implement is actually reducing our attack surface over time. Ultimately, the goal is to fix what attackers can actually use. By adopting a surgical approach to remediation through CTEM, you stop chasing every minor bug and start securing the roots that lead to your crown jewels. Focus your energy where it counts to build a resilient, proactive defense for the future.